In my previous video, I shared a feature-rich MIUI theme, and as promised, I am back with few another live wallpapers, which when combined with the previous theme will definitely give your device a wonderful look. Now, these are OnePlus live wallpapers. Whenever a new OnePlus device releases, it comes with new live wallpapers. So, I have picked up some of my favorite ones among them, and I already have a separate video on how to install MIUI 12 Super Live Wallpapers. So go check that video out if you haven't yet. Coming back to this video, hey guys, AP here, back with another video. You're watching TecknoKing, and today I'll be sharing with some OnePlus Live Wallpapers and how you can install them on your device. So without any further delay, let's get started. Now the steps are very simple. You just need to install Live Wallpaper APKs and Google Live Wallpapers app. Download links will be available in the description as always. After installing Google Wallpapers app, simply open it, and as you can see that I already have Live Wallpapers APKs installed. So let's just pick any one of them and then just click on Set as Wallpapers, and that's it. The wallpapers will be applied successfully on your phone, and every time you unlock your phone, you will get this beautiful animation. Now let me show you other wallpapers one by one. So enjoy the video. That's all for this video. If you are a MIUI user like me, and if you want to apply these beautiful live wallpapers on your lock screen, then do check my MIUI 12 Super Live Wallpapers video, because it won't work normally. So if you like this video, then do not forget to hit the like button, or if you have any suggestions regarding this video, then comment down below. Share this video with your friends, and for more stuffs like this, stay tuned with us by subscribing to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell next to it. Till that, it's AP signing off. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I hope to see you guys soon.